It's April 2026, and I've decided to reintroduce warm-up regulator kits on my website. I will be offering non-vacuum warm-up regulator, single vacuum warm-up regulator, and the dual vacuum warm-up regulator. There will be limited instructions and links to other resources and instructions that you'll find very helpful and you can use in the rebuilding process. The challenge is not rebuilding them, the challenge is adjusting them. And I have a separate video with some interesting little gadgets that I'm offering that will help you adjust these warm-up regulators once you overhaul them. You're going to need a fuel system pressure tester. You can't do it without one. You can try to guess. I know some people probably adjust away and listening to the sound of the engine hoping that's good enough, but it's almost impossible to adjust by feel. So if you're interested in doing this yourself, it is doable, and adjustment by yourself is doable too if you have the right equipment. I even came up with a special tool to help you adjust the fuel cell right here on the top of the warm-up. So check out the links in the description below this video, and I'm going to link each one separately as well as some of the instructions I have that can help you troubleshooting your 1976 to 1985 fuel-injected Mercedes-Benz. Just want to show you how this tool works. You see that? It fits right over the top of the two fuel lines. It spans out to the edge on both sides of the fuel cell. And now see, when I tap like this, I'm getting an even load and an even drive down on the cell. It's going to let me fine-tune the exact control pressure I'm looking for. Okay, we got about 100. It's jumping all over the place, but I think you can see right there, it's moved about 1/16 of an inch. I'm not going to take it in millimeters, but I wanted to make sure that was moving. You can see it doesn't move a lot, but it does have to move, and it has to move about this much.